I just got myself this EraOrganics Superbalm. I'm so excited to try this stuff out because my kids are just riddled with skin issues. I've got one that's got the keratosis pilaris, I've got eczema, and we get dry skin all the time here in the Midwest. So this stuff is all organic. There are no extra chemicals or anything like that in there. There's no scent to this thing. So that is fantastic because a lot of scents bother us with that skin issues. The texture of this is a real thick sort of stuff. It is not, it's almost like a Vaseline kind of feel. It's got a real soft feeling to it and absorbs into your skin as you're doing it. Like I said, it feels a lot like Vaseline. So we're really excited to try this stuff out because of how popular this stuff is. Really looking forward to seeing how that works with my kids' skin. It's extra soothing and moisturizer, so you can put it head to toe for dry and cracked skin, even sensitive skin. So EraOrganics,